number 50, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, White, and Yell. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.